This is new ZARA in Russia. MAAG. I don't know why 2A letters. Why not just MAAG? This is a 2-floor store. And Nina, hello. Nina gonna show us what's around, and we're gonna, ask her what about prices and stuff. Let's go. Yeah. People don't like assortment here. Вроде бы неплохие джинсы вот эти. Это mom fit для мамочек. Яна Илон Маск. Немного вещей, да? It's not so much clothes here, but you see they're trying to fill the place with a lot of different shelves. I like this style. Мне кажется, больше таких цветастых, да, каких-то вещей стало, или так и было? White fit MAAG in Russian. Окей, будем это мерить. 4000. You see the design of that MAAG store, it's very stylish. First floor it's women's clothes, and second floor it's men clothes. Не стильно, not stylish. It's MAAG. So Nina took all these jeans to try, because it's always problem to choose the different fit. Oh my god, even more jeans. Okay, today is jeans day. Okay, black one. Alright, we're gonna try on all these jeans we got. So what do you think? So. Okay. You know what impressed me here? This is that button here. It's for consultant, and you know what? Only male men coming to you to help you to get you close to, in the women's section. Here in the women section. So what do you think? Пакистане, да. In Pakistan, made in Pakistan.
Я поняла, что в принципе тут не так много выбора, потому что все вещи, они однотипные, они слишком яркие, вот. И мне кажется, если мы походим, в принципе...
Ничего не поменяется.
Да, посмотрим, то... Вот я смотрела джинсы, они вот разные, много вариантов.
You see these numbers, they light up if you're, close that fitting room. When you close, it's light up, but it doesn't work everywhere. Second floor of that store in Galeria, one of the biggest and the most popular shopping centers in Saint Petersburg. Men's section is on the second floor with kids section, of course. It's always more women clothes. Like whole first floor it's for women clothes, and for men only half of second floor. What I can say, it's a really more colorful collections here. Yeah, I see more bright colors. Quality is bad. Price for jeans is I think for men it's a bit less, a bit cheaper than in women. 3,000 rubles. I will not buy jeans here because I see it's bad quality. Pretty stylish, looks beautiful. Made in Pakistan. Bangladesh. Oh, Bangladesh too. I will not try on anything here. I will not buy here anything. Made in China. Is it? I don't know. All in chrome. Is it special collection or what? What do you mean? What do you mean? I mean it's made in Bangladesh. Я не буду ничего мерить. Bangladesh. So yeah, assortment more colorful in men's section too. Yeah, black is always popular. Pakistan. High price, not so cheap. No, I didn't like ZARA, never. But now it's became even less attractive for me as a customer. So Nina, your impression about MAAG?
В целом, джинсы хорошие, и я думаю, там можно найти какие-то вещи неплохие, но их мало, они все очень яркие, ну, большинство, и какие-то странные коллекции, может быть, в дальнейшем будет лучше, но сейчас себе.
The next store is Dub. Thank you, not the dump. Let's explore. What do we have? What can you say about collections? Do you like it? Just leave it for someone else. Pretty colorful, like in MAAG. Скажите, а правда, что a consultant told me, I asked that girl, that collections became more colorful, and this is a fact. Bangladesh too. Here, I can see made in Turkey, and it's a bit cheaper. This t-shirts. This store is more stylish. I like that wooden, like that yellow light, warm light. Some t-shirts with Russian letters, phrases made in Turkey. I like colors here a bit more. Only one thing I bought once many years ago. It was boots, Pull&Bear boots, and yeah, that was for a few seasons. I was wearing it that like 2-3 years, and that was good. But since that time, I didn't buy anything here because I'm not satisfied of quality in such stores. What is that, Nina? Can you tell me?
Stradivarius.
It's ex-Stradivarius. Okay, let's get in. So this is for women, store for women. It's only women clothes here. So Nina gonna tell us what is. Same price as in Dub. Will you visit VILET in Russia? VILET? No Stradivarius. VILET. How it sounds? VILET. This is place for a man waiting for wife. Just walking and choosing some dresses and stuff. This is for you. Like if you're a man, this is your dress. You see that store. This is new one, but it's not opened yet. ECRU. Guess what is that? Nina?
Бершка.
It's ex-Bershka. ECRU. They still closed, and all the people, you see, babushkas, young people over there, all of them waiting for opening ECRU, Bershka. What a huge shopping center. Galeria. Oh my god. Mother beer. Yeah. Kids clothing. Mother beer. It was Mother Care, but now it's Mother Bear. Not beer. Bear. Sneaker box. It's ex-Reebok store. Sneaker box. I don't have nothing by Reebok, but Nina. Another one new store, Hiker, and this is mostly it's North Face right there. North Face, Helly Hansen and Salomon inside. Right next to Hiker, Trend Zone. Guess what is that? This is New Balance. The most logical rebranding through whole brands which left Russian market. This is X, you can guess Sensei, of course, because it's called Sin in Russian. Sin, simply Sin, not dump, not mug, but Sin. It's logical. So this is X Sensei. This was a small tour to new stores, MAAG, Dub, VILET, and others in Russia, Saint Petersburg. Nina, thank you for guiding us. See you next time. Bye bye.